Hello everyone, I'll show you how to model this cabinet in 3D Max. First, I will draw a box, and this box will be 220, 210, 58. Here I need in the width segment 6. I will add edit poly, and I will detach the top polygon and the sides. I will go to edit geometry, detach, and for this part over here, I will change color first so you can see it better. And I will give it a shell inner amount 2. Also, I will select again this box and I will detach this bottom polygons. I will go to edit geometry, detach, and then I will give it a shell modifier, make the inner amount 5. Also, I will change color. I'll go to the front view. Here, this object is reaching the sides. I need to go back to edit poly, select this vertex, and move it inward 2 cm, like this. And also I will do the same for the other side. I will select the vertex over here and move it inward. Now you can see that these sides are a bit sweeping inward. So in the shell modifier, I will go down and select straight corners. Now you can see that this one is becoming super straight. Okay. Now I need to work with the back side. I will select first this bottom vertex for the front and the back, and I will move it up 5 cm, like this. Now I will detach this back side, go to edit geometry, detach, and I will give it a shell modifier, but this time I need it to be outer 0.3. For the front panel, this one, I need now to isolate, so I will start with this door panels. So now I'm going to make more divisions for this drawer over here. I will select these inner middle edges and I will connect. Now I know that the total length for the 3 drawers is 60. So I'll move them in the y-axis 60. Now I will select this edge over here and I will remove. Now again, I will select them and I will make a connect for 3 drawers, like this. Now I can start with the groove which is between the panels. I will select them all and then I will click on chamfer and I will make the amount 0.3 and use open chamfer. Now open chamfer will allow a real gap between the door panels. So I will first work on this middle panels. I will select them and detach. Go to edit geometry, detach. Okay. So now they are separated from the side panels. Here I am going to first change the color so it will be easier to observe, and I will give it a thickness with shell modifier. Use the outer amount 2, like this. Now I will start making the handles. Now for the handles, I will draw here a rectangle, and this rectangle is 2 by 4. I will remove, I will draw it from the side. So this is 2 segments, I need to delete them. Now I need to extrude it 20 cm and give it a shell modifier 0.2. And I need to check straight corners. Now I will rotate and I will change the location to the drawers. but I will change the pivot point first. I'll go to hierarchy panel, affect pivot only, center to object. Now I will close affect pivot only, and now I will move it over here, check it from the top view. Now I will lock this selection, and now I will hold down shift and move a copy from the middle of this drawer to the middle of this drawer, make 2 copies. So the lock selection will help you to snap from a different point and get the same position, like this. Now I need to work with these panels over here. So I will hide now this selection, and I will start with this panel. Now I want to have this curved shape to my door panel. So I will use here a rectangle, and then I will merge the shape with this door panel. I will add here edit a spline to my rectangle, use these vertex and fillet them to the maximum. Now I need to select these vertex over here to weld them. Okay, now they become 1 point also here. Now I will go to the front view. I need to outline this one inward 5 cm, and then this SP line I will delete it. Now I want to make a copy also over here. I will lock the selection first from the status bar like this, and then I will hold shift and drag a copy to the other door panels. Now I will merge the shapes to the door panel. I will go to the compound objects, shape merge, and here you have the button pick shape. I will select the first shape and the second shape. Now I need to go to the modifier list. It became a shape merge. So I will add edit poly. I will select now these polygons and extrude them outward 2 cm, like this. Now I need to make here the fluted panels. So I will select the inner polygons, and I need to shift my selection from polygon mode to edge mode. I will use Control and click on edge mode. Now they are being all selected. I will press create shape. Now I will just hide this panel so I can see these shapes, right? Okay. Now I will change the color so you can see it better. So now I am going to add for these shapes floor generator. It will help me easily to divide the object. Now I need to control the size from the board size. Here I need to make it 3, and the width, these segments over here, I want to make them one full panel. So I will make here the width 250. Okay, so it will extend along the object. Now I will also make decide for the grout. It depends on the design you have. You can make it 1, you can make it 0, it's up to you. And now I will need to make the extrude 1.8, like this. The bevel here is optional as well. You can make it 0. Now I will go to the front view, and I will unhide all, like this. So I just need now to make the door handles. I will select this handle over here, and I will drag a copy using shift. I will rotate. Now I will change. Now I will move one copy for this door panel over here, but let me first make another copy. I want to make a longer handle for this one. So I will select here and I will change the extrude to 60. Now I need to place them near the panels. So I will go to the top view and I will use here symmetry. I will need to change this axe line or mirror line all the way to the middle of the cabinet and use flip. Also move this handle all the way to the middle and I will place it over here and also make symmetry y-axis, change the mirror line to the middle of the cabinet and use flip like this. Now for the height I will move it upward, and for this one I will move it down like this. Now I will need to drag a copy to the other side. I will press shift all the way here. So that is my cabinet. I just need to add some material to see the final result. Now I will press F4 so I can see the object in shaded mode. And this is my cabinet.